Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to clean the kitchen and cook a sheet pan dinner of chicken and green beans, and then I'm going to make jasmine rice and make chicken and rice bowls. Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So I wanted to explain to you what I was making. I'm making a chicken bowl, and I'm just taking some chicken tenderloins, cubing them up, making some jasmine rice, and I've taken some green beans out of my freezer, and I'm just kind of cutting the tips off and then cutting them in half. Because what I want to do is take the chicken and the green beans and put them on a baking dish and just bake them for about 15-20 minutes and then put that over the rice. So as you see here, I'm just working on the chicken, and the spices I use are just the ones I use in everything. I'm just a creature of habit, and I do the same stuff all the time. So it's wrestling with the nasty white things. I don't know. Maybe they're, oh God, I don't know. Uh, Tendons. All that has to go. There are no bones, veins, tendons, none of that in my food. No, ma'am. Um, so yeah, I'm tearing the chicken all to heck, but whatever. But my spices that I use on this particular dish or whenever I make these bowls is just garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and then I just squirt lemon juice all over it. And so I kind of get that lemon chicken flavor that I love. I don't know what my kick is about that, but I'm making that a lot. But now I'm trying to eat a little healthier, get away from the fried foods, even though I fry in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Duke, no. I still am trying to get away from the fried foods because at my age, they're just not that healthy for you.
All right, so I've kind of mixed mine all up. I'm fine with that, but I'm dying to taste it. Never had jasmine rice, but when I read that it tasted like buttery popcorn, I need that. Rootin' tootin' good. The spices I used were a little bit of dried onions, garlic powder, paprika, and a little Italian seasoning. And then I put a little extra Italian seasoning on it after I had shaken it in the bag. I felt like it needed probably a little bit more. And then I went into the oven and I squirted some of my lemon juice on the chicken. That's so good. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, hit subscribe. Be sure to turn on that bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you real soon back here in the living room.